Ganas is an extensible Web3 wallet and IDE built by volunteers for the Cosmos and EVM multi-chain ecosystem. Ganas Mobile has a web counterpart based on the same source code, Ganas Web. Together with the ganasX browser extension, Ganas Web can execute transactions on the Ganas Mobile wallet. Not only transactions, but use the execution environment provided by the Ganas Mobile wallet. The communication between Ganas Web and Ganas Mobile is done through the Wallet Connect version 2 protocol that ganasX uses. So in Ganas Web, we will test a simple dApp running on the Goerli testnet. But first we check our identity in the Ganas Mobile wallet and make sure that Goerli is among the chains allowed and that is also the default chain chosen, and it is. We go back to the web platform into the Web3 folder, and here we find the simple storage mark, which is a dApp with a smart contract deployed on the Goerli testnet. And we see a Wallet Connect QR code, which is prompted by ganasX, the ganasX extension. So what we do is we take the Ganas Mobile wallet, we go to Wallet Connect, we scan the QR code, and we see the Wallet Connect URI here. We click on Connect, and we are prompted to accept or reject the dApp request for connection. We can see the methods, chains, events, and data about the dApp itself. We accept the connection, so we have access to the dApp. And we can query the smart contract. We see that it has a value of 3 stored in it, and we can also make transactions. And the transactions will be sent to the mobile wallet to be signed and processed. So we click on Set, and this triggers a dApp request in the mobile app, and we see the transaction details here, from contract address to call data to the chain ID, which in this case is 5. This is the chain ID for the Goerli testnet. We will accept. We have a face identification, biometric identification for the transaction, and we can now see in the web platform the transaction hash and the transaction data. And we see here a button which is from the ganasX extension, and we can click on it to disconnect. And now we go again in the Web3 folder, and let's test Cosmos Chains operations. We are again prompted for the Wallet Connect connection, which we accept. So now we can query, for example, Cosmos Chains. Let's query the total supply for Agoric. And we can see here all the IBC tokens, the native currency, and the supplies for each. Let's try Evmos. And we see the total supplies for Evmos and the IBC tokens registered. And this information is retrieved from the Ganas mobile app through the ganasX extension, which uses the Wallet Connect version 2 messaging. And you can try out queries on any Cosmos chain registered in the chain registry. Transactions also work, but keep in mind that at this time, Ganas is not production ready. All of these dApps that you have seen are Ganas extensions, and they have source code here. And soon you will see how to create extensions on Ganas Web in this IDE and use them and distribute them through Ganas Mobile. You have seen the Ganas development advantages. Developing on Ganas, you can use Ganas as IDE. Deploying on Ganas, you deploy the same dApp on web, iOS, and Android. A dApp on Ganas may use hundreds of blockchains, Ethereum-like or Cosmos-like. All dApps are hosted on IPFS, and in previous videos you have seen our chat system built as a localized chain and operating system. New interchain standards are being developed to interface dApps, and new interchain standards are being developed to interface chains. Check out nBridge videos. You are welcome to come and test the future on web, iOS, and Android, and join our Discord channel.